Welcome to the House of Mouth, and thanks for choosing one of our starter whitening kits. This starter kit is designed as a simple, flexible way to begin your teeth whitening journey at home using professional grade products and clear guided steps. Just remember, before you start whitening, we always recommend having your teeth professionally checked and cleaned by your oral health professional. And not only does that ensure that you get the best possible whitening results, it ensures whitening is appropriate for you and that the gel will be the most effective working on your cleaned teeth. Inside your starter kit, you'll find everything you need to get started, including whitening gel, thermoforming trays, step-by-step instructions, and depending upon the kit you've chosen, you may also have sensitivity toothpaste or other supporting products or items in there to help you keep you comfortable and support you along the way. The great thing is starter kits are really commonly used by people who are either new to whitening, they're trying a new whitening gel or brand, or they're looking for a really accessible starting point to get into whitening at home. Just remember, the trays in this kit are designed to be both adaptable and functional, and they have a real similar fit to almost a mouth guard. So as with any at-home whitening option, there's always some natural limitations to be mindful of, particularly around the precision and fit and how well they are adapted to your individual smile and teeth. So it's important just to have realistic expectations from the outset. If for some reason over time you're looking for a more tailored experience, there's plenty of options available, and our custom fit trays are professionally fabricated from impressions of your teeth, and they offer a more personalized, precise fit, and this is what generally dentists recommend. So many people start with a starter kit like you're doing today, and then explore that option later down the track once they're familiar with the whitening gel or brand they like to use, and also to fit in with their long-term whitening goals. For now though, the key thing is to follow the guidance provided, use the products as directed, and take your time. Just remember, whitening is a process and everyone's experience and results are always a little bit different. The great thing is, if you have any questions at any point, feel free to reach out or comment below and our team will be more than happy to help. So from all of us here at the House of Mouth, all the best on your teeth whitening and oral care journey.